5,
I
6,
got a
7,
brand
8.
new girlfriend. We went and jumped off the deep end. Flew out to LA for the weekend. Spent the whole day lying on the beach wearing nothing but a smile. Playing kissy, kissy, smoochy, smoochy, talking mushy, mushy about nothing. Man, I think I'm on to something. Because I feel just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend. I love it when she calls me Buttercup. She laughs and says I left the toilet seat up. She pops the top for me a cold beer and says my buddy's always welcome here. When I get hungry, she takes me out. I'm riding shotgun like a Shih Tzu hound. My tail's a wagging, my tongue's hanging out. It makes me want to shout. I got a brand new girlfriend. We went and jumped off the deep end. Flew out to LA for the weekend. Spent the whole day lying on the beach wearing nothing but a smile. Playing kissy, kissy, smoochy, smoochy, talking mushy, mushy about nothing. Man, I think I'm on to something. You know I feel just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend. Woo! Cute, cute, cute. She likes to write our names in the sand. She's hearing wedding bells and making plans. She's gonna hang around a while, I guess. And she hadn't even told me she loves me yet. I got a brand new girlfriend. We went and jumped off the deep end. We fly to LA for the weekend. Spend the whole day lying on the beach wearing nothing but a smile. Playing kissy, kissy, smoochy, smoochy, talking mushy, mushy about nothing. Man, I think I'm on to something. You know I feel just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend. She makes me feel just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend.
This dance is Cute, 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 choreographed by Kathy Gurgian. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, step with the right foot up, forward, recover, shuffle a half turn right, step forward, pivot a quarter turn right, crush, shuffle. Section 2, jump to the side, touch, clap, make a quarter turn left, jump, touch, clap, triple in place, right, left, right, turn a quarter left, triple in place, left, right, left. Now facing 3 o'clock. Section 3, rock forward, recover, coaster step, rock forward, recover, coaster step. Last section, point and heel and touch and right heel and left heel and. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. In this dance there's an 8 count tag. You do it 3 times, always facing 3 o'clock. It's the last 8 counts of the dance. Section 4. Point and heel and touch and right heel and left heel and. The counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. There is also a gap in the music while you're facing 12 o'clock. You finish the dance And you have your left heel extended in front. You wait for the music to come back, which is 3 or 4 counts. And when you hear him sing, girlfriend, you rock, recover, and shuffle left and right. You start from the beginning of the dance, and that's the whole dance.